Divine Collective, I'm hearing they're almost obsessed. Someone is trying to make their way back in here. Let's see what this is about. Spirit is telling me that this person, they feel that they're in hell. This person may be in spiritual jail at the moment, Divine Collective. You've exposed a cult here. Childhood traumas resurfacing, I'm being told. And someone feels like they're in hell. I'm speaking to a homebody. Spirit says you are a homebody. You like being at home. Okay. Shadow work. Examining and integrating hidden fears, wounds, and unconscious behaviors. Like that is actually falling on top of childhood traumas resurfacing. So someone here is needing to do some shadow work here. Yeah, someone is in spiritual jail for sure. I'm picking up on a dark night of the soul here in this reading, Divine Collective. This is someone that has no motivation, a lack mindset. Scorpio is of significance. I'm getting Scorpio in this reading. Stay in position, Divine Collective. This is someone's karmic ex, possibly a Scorpio. I'm getting sacrifices. Sacrifices. And someone wanting to come back now. Okay, someone wanting to come back now. They're desperate to get back into your energy, Divine Collective, after sacrificing you, after making you a sacrifice. This person is experiencing a dark night of the soul. They're being forced to face themselves. Spirit is telling me. The angels are here. I heard the children of heaven. Someone is finally making the decision here to walk away from karmic energies, from these unconscious behaviors, so to say. They're finally making the decision to walk away for it. They're leaving for themselves, Spirit is telling me. This could be someone's karmic ex. That's a Scorpio. Spirit is saying they're walking away for themselves, not for someone else. This person is wanting to heal here. I'm picking up on a voodoo doll in this reading. Spirit says this sacrifice is non-negotiable. I'm picking up on someone who made a sacrifice here, and I'm hearing the sacrifice is non-negotiable. Something about a voodoo doll, Divine Collective. They tried it again, but the full moon illuminates everything hidden. Friday the 13th is of significance. Someone tried it again, and the moon is telling on someone in this reading, okay? Spirit said there's no need to worry, Divine Collective, that your health will be menaced through worry, okay? So do not worry. Do not worry, Divine Collective. Someone here is drawn to your love and authenticity, Divine Collective. Your awareness. I heard your awareness. They're drawn to this. The way that you express yourself. I'm picking up on unhealthy desires. Someone here that has been defeated, Divine Collective. This person has unhealthy desires here. Whatever the case may be, I see that you're unbothered and at peace, exactly where you need to be in this situation, Divine Collective. Confirmation. What did I say earlier? Whoever this is, they're now going through the dark night of the soul. Spirit is confirming with a card, okay? They're now going through the dark night of the soul. Spirit needs you to continue evolving. Do not get in the way of this person's healing. Divine Collective, this ex of yours, I really feel like this is someone's ex that is going through a harsh, very harsh awakening in the current moment. Confirmation. As I'm talking, look what this card says. Divine Collective, I'll read it to you. Awakening. Okay? Becoming aware of deeper spiritual truths or recognizing unhealthy patterns. Everything that I'm speaking intuitively, Spirit is confirming in cards, okay? Someone is having a harsh awakening, but it's very important that you continue evolving here. Alright? Someone here hired a private investigator. I'm getting a PI in this reading. I heard they're not thinking clearly. Someone's not thinking clearly. Legal matters. Someone is going to jail here that was not thinking clearly. I keep getting in Aries. In Aries, Divine Collective. I'm picking up on smart investments here. Real estate. You are heavily protected. Authority figures are watching, Divine Collective. Something about you standing out. You stand out. That is what Spirit is telling me. Look. You stand out. Authority figures watching. The Empress. Divine Collective. How about that combination? Someone had a bad contract here. They made a bad deal. This could be someone who is religious. I'm picking up on someone who is religious, Divine Collective. They made a bad deal here to sacrifice you, the Empress? No way. Bad contract once again. Spirit is saying, Divine Collective, trust your hard work. It's unlocking doors you can't see yet. Spirit is telling me whoever this religious energy is that I'm picking up on, just extremely an extremist, okay? That's what I'm hearing Spirit say. They wanted people to see you as bad, wanted you to be seen as the bad person here, Divine Collective. Yeah, you're in the public eye. Something that you're doing or saying Divine Collective, is going viral here. You absolutely stand out here, okay? Unexpected financial gain through inheritance or winnings, Divine Collective. And let me speak about that. I know Spirit wants me to speak on this because I've been intuitively picking up on it. A lot of you have asked me questions like, when is my inheritance coming in? You know, I get that every day, Divine Collective. You have to stop wondering. You have to stop asking yourself that and sitting around waiting on something to come in, Divine Collective. In my experience, and again, I can only speak for myself, in my experience, it's like the more work I did on myself, the more that I was growing and healing, I was getting rewarded in so many different ways. It was not always financial, Divine Collective. So when you hear us say things like your inheritance is coming in, you know, you got to switch up your perspective on how you see that, Divine Collective. You don't have to do anything. You can do whatever you want, but I'm telling you what works, okay? It's not always going to be money that you can feel in your hands. When your inheritance comes in, God will give it to you in many different ways, okay? So remember, God is the greatest magician. There's so many people out there trying to stop this from getting to you. God has to work through that, Divine Collective. So it comes in many different ways. Like I said, in my experience, I haven't always had money, Divine Collective, but my gifts continue to heighten. You know, the energy around me is so much more breathable, pure, and that is a gift in itself. I mean, that alone makes me feel like I'm so rich, you know, just being at peace. So when we say that, it's about switching your mind from thinking that everything has to do with money. Okay, 9:05 on the clock. I had to do that as well, Divine Collective. I kept hearing people say, your inheritance is going to be here. And then I just realized that I put my head down, I got into my work, I started doing my research, you know, I just followed my path, Divine Collective, and I started noticing different ways in which God was rewarding me, okay? And it was not always with money, and that is considered to be your inheritance that was stolen from you. God will give it back to you in ways that no one can see coming, Divine Collective. And one day I will give you guys examples of that. I haven't yet been given the go-ahead to tell my stories on how God has given back to me when people have taken, but I'm telling you, God gives you back triple.